Hi everyone, welcome back. Going to be a little bit noisy in the background. Got 2 extra children here, Easter holidays and all that, but we have a beautiful package from Born Pretty. I hope you all had an awesome Easter holiday as well, and congratulations to Vicky for winning the giveaway. Everything has been shipped, and yeah, I'm really excited for you to see everything. Right, first thing we have is called Pat Paint Gel. This is brand new from Born Pretty, PP003, sorry, just PP03. This, yeah, brand spanking new. I just wanted to just see how everything comes as well when it's packaged. So you've got your little paint pot that's all sealed inside, then it's got cellophane wrapper over the top of it, then it's in a little tiny bag, a sealed bag, so that if there was any spillages, you know, it's got to go through 1, 2, 3 layers before it actually goes into like the parcel packaging. So that is every single item, and I know it is a bit of a problem because of the whole plastic issue, but you are like, there is no way this is going to leak anywhere, is it? Absolutely no chance. So let's just open this and have a quick look. Absolutely love this stuff. Absolutely love it. So this is essentially Born Pretty's version of, it's their painting gel basically. So you've got Madame Glam's gel paint, you've got Glitter Bells and Light Elegance and all that jazz. Born Pretty have got one called the Pat Paint Gel, and having since used it, it is a fabulous. I am loving it, loving it. Okay, let's open up some more. So this is, so which one's this? Let me see if I've got it next to me. The Sea Blue Cat Magnetic Gel SB14. Oh my gosh, I love this. When I chose it, because this is part of like 7 or 8 I think they've got in their collection. When I chose it based off the colour on the website, I don't know, it's just so much better in real life. Like, I knew it was going to be purple, but this is such a nice purple. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I was so excited to have a little play around with that one. This one is the, let me see if I can see, is this the Jelly Nude one? Yes, it is. So this is the Jelly Nude Gel BPJN05. I have a few of their Jelly Nudes, and I bloody love them. So I was quite excited to get another one that I haven't got yet. And this is like a really nice bright but pale pink at the same time. The thing I like the most about Born Pretty's Jelly Nudes is they do exactly what they say. So one coat gives you a tiny bit of coverage and you can build it up, and it's nice and thin. The consistency stays thin so that you're not building up too much product, whereas a lot of other brands seem to do that, and I'm not really a fan, but I like Born Pretty's one. This is the, let me pick it up, where have I put it? There it is. I love this colour. CJ031. This is from the Silky White series, and it is the most beautiful, palest, silkiest, creamiest, smoothest baby blue. I absolutely love it. So I've saved what I personally think is the best till last. I think that because this was the first thing I opened, I had to open it. I was like, I can't wait until I do this on camera. I have to do it now. I really wanted to see what it looked like. So this is the Aurora Non-Stick Hand Extension Nail Gel NSG21. You've seen me use the nude, the apricot, the pink, the white, but look at this one. Isn't that beautiful? Look at it. So I used the white one to make some carrots for the Easter bunny carroty nails that I did last Sunday, I think they were. Oh, they might have been Wednesday. Yes, they were Wednesday's ones, weren't they? But yes, so this is technically for building your own nail. So you'd use this in replace of like polygels and builder gels and stuff like that. So I'm just going to go straight in and quickly do some prep work on my left hand, because that's the hand we'll be using. I've tried as well so hard to grow my natural nails, and the one, my middle finger on my right finger broke, and now my index finger is snapping as well. So let's just get on with some prep work. Okay, so once all my prep is done, I found the best way to work with this and get it to play to your best advantages, I suppose. So wear gloves for a start. Do not do what I do and touch the gel with your fingers. So I've primed, dehydrated, primed, base coating, given that a cure, and then I've scooped a bit of that Aurora non-stick hand gel extension stuffs. Never remember the full name. And I've got way too much. So I need about half of what I've put on. So take the rest off. And the best way I found to sculpt it was a mixture between a nice stiff, like a gel applicating brush, because they're nice and stiff, rather than an acrylic brush. So gel brushes, cuticle pushers, like wooden sticks, orange sticks, and silicone tools, actually surprisingly were amazing. Just make sure that you have got some isopropyl alcohol on hand. It doesn't get very sticky. It's not sticky like polygel. It can be a bit sticky, or builder gel. It definitely has its advantages over polygel and stuff like that, because it doesn't really have that stickiness to it that those guys do. So it is a lot easier to work with. And this is what I love about gel as well. You can play, mess, mash, mould, manoeuvre, do what the hell you want to it until you put it under that lamp, under those lights. You can do what you want. You can go, I've effed up here, I'm gonna have to put a bit more there, or just you can mush it about to your heart's content, and it's not going to cure until you put it under that lamp to cure. I love that about gel. So once you are happy, give it a cure, and then I will show you. Well, listen now. You hear that? That's what it should sound like when it's fully cured. If you don't hear that, put it back in the lamp for a little bit. So I'm going to quickly give it... What are you doing, Bonnie? What are you doing? Are you trying to get in my closet again? Come on. Give it a file and shape. So I'm using the e-file first, and then I'll switch to a hand file. So this wasn't part of the PR package for this PR package anyway. It is a previous one, but I didn't want to use that whole Aurora one on like every single nail. So I'm doing the Aurora one on my thumb and my ring. I'm going to use this gorgeous nude pink on the other three fingers, index, middle and pinky. So same concept, same steps. Just, put it on, shape it up, give it a cure, make sure it's cured. The only issue, so that Aurora one is semi-clear, but this one is obviously a solid opaque colour. So what I had to do with this is take off that, give it a cure, take off the nail form, flip the nail over and cure it upside down because the underside wasn't quite cured. So this is what it looks like with all 5 nails done. Isn't that Aurora perfect with that pink? It's so beautiful. So I'm grabbing the CJ031, is that what it's called? Yes. I'm going to put that on my palette, grab a fine lining brush and just doing a nice swirl over my nail, and then I'll grab, once that's cured, I'll do 2 coats of that, giving it a cure in between each time for 60 seconds, and then I'll get the Pat painting gel PP03 and I'll do some lovely purple lines on top of that. So I thought it was best if we do a base layer before, always get text on the voiceovers, a base layer before we go in with that sea blue magnetic gel polish. So I did one coat of the CG0131, the Silky White series, and then once that is cured, going over with that sea blue cap magnetic gel, SB14. Look, using the magnet. I just love the effect that it gives you. I could literally watch it all day, but I'm going to do 2 coats because I think it needs more, just more. Look at it. It's so nice. So this is its second coat. Look at that. It definitely pops more when you've got 2 coats on. Love it. So I've grabbed the Pat painting gel and a gel application brush, and I have got to say this went on so nice. If you haven't got this yet, is it still on offer? Oh, tomorrow, I mean yesterday was the last day, wasn't it? No, today is the last day. Hurry up and get that 20% off. Easter 20, links in the description box down below or in my bio, the about section of my channel. Follow that link, get this, pop it in your basket, and when you go to checkout, add in Easter 20 and you'll get 20% off everything that is on their website. You will not be disappointed, let me tell you. So I haven't cured that purple Pat paint gel. That is a mouthful, isn't it? I've added a little bit of that CG031 at the end using the ombre brush to ombre that up, and I do 2 coats of that, so I'll cure that and then do another coat of the Pat painting gel and the CG031 at the bottom. So for the ring finger, I wanted to add, because we haven't used that jelly nude yet, and I thought, would it look good if because it's open, it's transparent, translucent, semi-translucent, you'd still see a little bit of that Aurora underneath it. So I thought I'd do 2 coats of that and pretend that Aurora was the French and it was a whole pink nail, and just rambling, but you know what I mean, don't you? You know what I mean. Add in that blue swirl, and we're going to add a little bit more purple to that, just like we did on the thumbnail. So now I am going to go in. I don't know whether I've showed you on camera, but I've painted the pinky in 2 coats of the blue, the CG031. But I've taken that blue and I've buffed over the index finger first, that cat blue, the sea blue cat magnetic gel paint. Buffed over that, giving it a little wipe, creating some swirls with that blue on that finger. Do the same to the ombre nail, but we're also going to incorporate a little bit of the magnetic gel paint into wherever it's blue. And then as well, because I haven't used it for a very long time, it's called BPGP01 Silver Rod. It's their shiny glitter painting gel, and I'm just going to add a little bit practically all over the nail and then I'll be with you in a mo. So I'm just going to go and use that super top coat because it is amazing. It is such a glossy, nice and thin as well, really nice and thin, but it is so shiny. It makes everything so shiny. That takes a 60 seconds to cure as well, and we are pretty much done. Just going to add a little bit of cuticle oil, but look at them. I built these nails with some weird paste stuff that hasn't been around for very long, and it's crazy. It's just hard to wrap your head around the fact that you can use a stick or use your fingers, as long as they're covered with gloves, you know. But yeah, you can use your fingers to practically sculpt nail things now, and it's just bizarre. Absolutely love how they've come out. I was blown away by that magnetic gel paint, but this is just so pretty. I can't get over like the colour shift, and I just stare at my thumbnail the whole time. Even talking to you now, I am just staring at my thumbnail and wiggling it about. But this was also a showstopper as well. Just look at it. How shiny is that? But yeah, honestly, there's one day left. There's a few hours left of their Born Pretty sale. 20% off. I will link everything that I've used in this video down below in the description. So follow those links. Add code Easter20, capital letters, at checkout, and you can save 20%. I've made a little order and it should be with me hopefully in a week time. The video will be coming out. Yeah, very excited, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts on those of you who used the 20% off Easter site-wide sale to purchase a few little bits, because I want to see what you think of their products as well. You know, I think they're amazing because I use them all the time. Let me know what you thought of this design as well. The wiggles and the squiggles seem to be coming back in again for this spring and summer, just like they did last year, so I'm well up for that. So yeah, let me know. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you all on Sunday. Bye.